Engineering. 450, College of Criminal Justice Education. Sorry, Bachelor of Science in Criminology. 350, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. 10, Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. 16, Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Science. 10, Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Filipino. 30, Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in English. 50, Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Music Arts, P&L. 20, Bachelor in Elementary Education, major in Special Education. 19, Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System. 46, Bachelor of Science in Information System. 25, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. 36, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. And then Dr. Bargados will accept the graduates. Then he will say, very to appreciate. Congratulations.
Please be seated.
Don't worry. Big foot. Okay, now it's time for the diploma. Pinakawalan na mo kung sa diploma business and engineering. Sige, pasama ko sa akin.
A diploma is a piece of substantial evidence when one graduates from a certain level of education. This is now the reward of each student's academic endeavor. So, to do the honors of awarding diplomas, may we call on the Honorable Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Attorney Joseph Felix Marie A.
Okay,
Sherman.
teachers, please, our teachers, Miss Natalie, Miss Barrow for the diploma. Marshals, please assist your students for the diploma. Ayos ako na Miss Miley, Miss Barrow, Miss Manto, Miss Manto, kamu tulo, Miss Miss, kamu buhatag sa diploma.
The President's Council, headed by Dr. Janessa P. Paragatos, to be assisted by the College Registrar and their respective deans and program chairs of each college. The announcement of graduates' names shall be done in the following order. College of Engineering by Engineer Dave L. Tabogunan. College of
Engineer, kayo po sa mga marshals engineer to assist during the distribution of diploma. Wala yung marshals sa engineering. Hindi, wala yung marshals sa engineering para sa pero engineer, asa na kailangan marshals? Kaya marshals is the one to one order. Oh, yes, ang marshals ay one day. Duha ka marshals. Asa ka ng marshals sa engineering? Niya, Miss Nia, saan ko Miss Kinola sa iwan sa marshals? Engineer, pala kung president siya marshals.
distribution of diplomas.
Roman 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, the distribution of diplomas.
Diplomas, siguro, sir, diplomas. Eh, naku, may ano, sir, kailangan sa isang sir. Naka mo siya basahan ko. Sir, sa panalan, sir, sa College of Criminal Justice Education. Ng College of Criminal Justice. At also, Bachelor of Tourism Management. Kumaraw sir. Tourism Management. And last one,
The announcement of graduate names shall be done in the following order. College of Engineering by Engineer Dale L. Kapuluran. College of Criminal Justice Education by Mr. Rosbelito C. Peñas. College of Nursing and Midwifery by Mrs. Teresa M. Dugo. College of Teacher Education by Mrs. Mary Ann A. Pacasero. College of Business Education and Information System. Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System by Ms. Ana L. Lato. Bachelor of Science in Information System by Mr. Renato N. Capuno Jr. Bachelor of Science in Office Administration by Ms. Azrael Nervin Chavez. Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management by Dr. J. Mark B. Damayo.
okay, let's say first, Mortal Court. Sir, kailangan din naman kayo sa atin sa Bachelor of Science in Gate Coordination System. Gate Coordination System,
Sir, have
ayos, information system, system, it's automatic. First, yes. Nakukuha siya ito yung parokya o paglito sa tracing. Observe everyone. Observe us and Borato later.
Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System by Ms. Ana L. Lato.
Sir, information pa sila sa science in information system. Yun sa accounting. At kami ko.
Nawan ni si Sir Jacob. Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System by Ms. Ana L. Lato.
Information ng sa system na lang sa'yo. Okay, sige.
Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System by Ms. Ana L. Lato. Bachelor of Science in Information System by Mr. Renato N. Capuno.
Sir, balik sa sir, ano na? Sa individual, balik sa akin. Balik. Tugilig sila na sa akin na nakaproceed sa inyo. Balik. So, first, ikaw na, ano ka nilagay ang natin sa hanggan, understand? Sige. Likod. Sir Jacob, once na kabarong ka sa kids, tanong ka na kanan, where mo mulong? Ayos na mo rin mo, sige. Bye, please.
Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System by Ms. Ana L. Lato.
Mas masin.
Bachelor of Science in Information System by Mr. Renato N. Capuno Jr. Bachelor of Science in Office Administration by Ms. Azil Nerfel Chavez. Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management by Dr. J. Mark B. Damayo. Ladies and gentlemen, the distribution of diplomas.
Nara ka sa babaw. Hindi na sa babaw. Para makapagpili.
Ladies and gentlemen, the distribution of diplomas.
Engineering, nasa ka ng lista, wala yung lista. Engineering, Miss Adil, ang lista din sa graduates.
John Mark B. Sugod, Cebu. Balukan, Clyde B. Carmen, Cebu.
Anak-anak. Deliver.
Balukan, Clyde B. Carmen, Cebu. Bradares Jr. Leo N. Sugod, Sugod. Kapuluran, Renji A. Danao, Cebu. Casimiro Joshua A. Cabuelan, Cebu.
Casimiro, sir. Sir, ang second row kay Casimiro. Oo, sige, sir. Para si...
Colibano Virgil Shane E. Danao, Cebu. Dalagin Christian Vincent A. Danao City, Cebu. Dura Christian J. A. Catmon, Cebu. Enriquez Charles Henry C. Danao City, Cebu. Gitana Camille J. B. Compostela, Cebu. Athens Carmen Namo B. Carmen, Cebu.
Uy! Asa ka, uy! Uy, bro!
Coban Jepasana R. Danao City, Cebu. Mercado Paul Glenn A. Danao City, Cebu. Igot Joanna A. D.
Ang nasa likuran ng sa Outback Food.
Cebu. Kopya Apple J. C. Carmen, Cebu. Punto Marshall P. Piloan, Cebu. Langkamot Eliza May N. Tuburan, Cebu. Lariosa J.A. Marie B. Danao City, Cebu. Lao Lovely B. Danao City, Cebu. Daya Micaela Andrea C. Danao City, Cebu. Mikaya Clarence A. Tabuhon, Cebu. Pau Jr. Renato E. Cabuelan, Cebu. Lumen Alex J. Carmen, Cebu. Nabili Ken Charles L. Danao City, Cebu. Malinaw Keisha Marie C. Sugod, Cebu. Mansueto Frank Lee Danao City, Cebu. Monsignor Brian A. Compostela, Cebu. Monsignor Edwina B. Compostela, Cebu. Nigel Rizal May L. Danao City, Cebu. Navarro Gerald Danao City, Cebu. Nova Stephanie Chris I. Biluan, Cebu. Paganokan James Carl R. Danao City, Cebu. Panot Angelito Carmen, Cebu. Pasana Luisi H. Danao City, Cebu. Romo Sarah May, Biluan, Cebu. Rulen Christian G. R. Catmon, Cebu. Sabas Kim Adrian, Danao City, Cebu.
Cebu. Semblante Dave Von, Consolacion, Cebu. Serviliola John Mary Rose, Balamban, Cebu. Ciarza John Kyle O, Danao City, Cebu. Tamio Charity May B, Carmen, Cebu. Cariao Redding Ivan N, Danao, Cebu. Irai Dorcas II B, Danao City, Cebu. Congratulations!
Balik, walang ilaw ko ba?
Congratulations! From the Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, Banzo J.R., Danao City, Cebu.
Ano na sinasabi?
Partido John Matthew, Carmen, Cebu. Bautista Vitali, Danao City, Cebu. Boloro J, Danao City, Cebu. Cabanas Jess Ergie, Borbon, Cebu. Calderon Charles T, Danao City, Cebu. Papute Joseph Kier, Danao City, Cebu. Hikari Aljon Renzo, Danao City, Cebu. Lavador Joji, Danao City, Cebu. Lucero Keith Bryant, Compostela, Cebu. Manoloyo Stephen, Compostela, Cebu. Montecalvo Ivan Kai, Sugod, Cebu. Montesilio Frank J, Sugod, Cebu. Nodalo John Edmar, Carmen, Cebu. Perez Franz Louis, Danao City, Cebu. Pontelo Armorillo, Borbon, Cebu. Congratulations. From the Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Dumago Chevro G, Consolacion, Cebu. Julius Micah C, Tacloban, Cebu. Edilio Nathaniel, Danao City, Cebu. Enriquez Roel R, Danao City, Cebu. Denisa Fletcher Kent Q, Carmen, Cebu. Isula Peter John Y, Lioan, Cebu. Pahuay Glenridge B, Carmen, Cebu. Casale John Isle S, Danao City, Cebu. Villarba Juan XL L, Carmen, Cebu. Vizcaino John Lloyd, Danao City, Cebu. Congratulations.
College of Nursing and Midwifery, to be read by Mrs. Teresa M. Duroy. Sorry. Green pa.
Ezekiel John Doe M. Manso Bernard Ray C. Tabili John Elmon. Olasiman Renan P. Ramos John Lloyd G. Sinardo Ayan. Sumilwi DJ. Tirol Noel. Deloria Justin. Ipil Jolina May. Pakan Justin P. Salivio Jose Jose. Tabili John Villar. Ipil Giselle Chris. Bertina Jasmine.
Congratulations. The following are the successful graduates of our Chinese Akapal Joel Marie Royal, Maximilian Akbay Shane Marie Pino, Asuncion Cebu, Agustines John Day Pepito, Roman Cebu, Alerta Francine Starr, Danao City Cebu, Alerta Lisa Joy Alvi, Danao City Cebu, Alfoa Christian Ray Manatas, Danao City Cebu, Alvarez John Yohan Concepcion, Danao City Cebu, Aldrin Johan Perez, Butuan City, Ann Daniel Ann Andrade, Bourbon Cebu, Antecristo Regine Marie Enriquez, Danao City Cebu, Alicia Laika Aari, Catwon Cebu, Arles Paul Gerald Gabriel, Danao City Cebu, Arlesillo Janela Lily Duterte, Danao City Cebu, Aro Maria Arlene Cristel Perez, Muan Cebu, Asis Mary Kay Labrador, Danao City Cebu, Magol Lovely May Laurel, Danao City Cebu, Balao
Cortez Charles Malamo,
Engineering
Danao
Professional.
City, Cebu.
What about sa guidelines?
Cortez Bale Bell, Danao City, Cebu. Tamayo Arian Moraca, Bourbon, Cebu. De Castro K. Nasharin Sungani, Compostela, Cebu. De la Victoria Ruth Francis Sia. Devil Gia Ray Betaganso. Dichos Cherry Kita. Johnson Ralph Matthew Linto, Carmen, Cebu. Donio Danica Bonivic Ariona, Carmen, Cebu. Doña Alf Iyo, Katmon, Cebu. Dungog Jen Renzi, Carmen, Cebu. Duran Abigail Kapuyan, Danao City, Cebu. Duran Christian Gail Batos, Katmon, Cebu. Duran Liza Bonillas, Katmon, Cebu. Durano Liza Dominic Angalit, Danao City, Cebu. Enriquez Kristen Marie Ahmada, Danao City, Cebu. Iscodon Kathy Jill Prieto, Carmen, Cebu. Isoto Juliet Buano, Danao City, Cebu. Castanyoso Joel Bonita, Iluhan, Cebu. Estrada Janelle Faye, Iluhan, Cebu. Estremos Precious Apple May Presencia. Eta Juliana Marie Endel. Juan Marta de Sul. Felicia Isabel Pilot. Flores Romy Margaret Capitula. Gallego Emily. Yana Richie Igor. Yago Maria Lourdes Maria. Iwano Lyra Gauta. Igor Casio. Igor Eden Marie Peganido. Ito Mary Michael Tunyano. Ito Martin Jero Capo. Hopia Rena Bird Bayo. Huban Kat Trisha Cone. Huban Latrina Emil. Lapiste Nina. Lampaso Margie Elena Barnes. Laurente Darius Antrino. Laurente Christian Paul Alpidon. Laurente Jamaica Acuno. Laurito Abigail Militano. Lauron Margaret Villamor. Lauron Tara Marie Formentera. Lawas Josh Brian Hall. Librero Angel Ann Oliveria. Librero John Ann Oliveria. Lopez Junior Norman Rivas. Lupo Jack Chris Montesa. Lupo Jack Chris Mato Kevin Jordan. Malcolm G. Manula Rachel Tula. Maranga Lucy Marie Manila. Vidalio Marnel Bernal. Mero Mary Jasmine Gato. Metoda Nini Marie Formentera. Minyosa Manising Naita Nabaho. Manising Maita Arnel. Divine